Welcome back to Español al oído, the daily podcast that teaches you Spanish by ear from absolute zero. This is day 2, and I'm Lucia, your teacher. If you completed day 1, you already know how to say Hola, me llamo, name, and ask ¿Cómo te llamas? If you haven't, go back and do it now. It takes just 8 minutes. Today, we're building on that foundation. Hit subscribe and the bell right now so you never miss a single daily lesson. We release new content every day at the same time, and you don't want to fall behind.
Hey Lucia, it's Diego again. Yesterday I said my first sentence in Spanish and I'm still excited. But today I want to say where I'm from. How do I do that?
Great question, Diego. Today you'll learn 2 powerful phrases, soy de, which means I am from, and ¿de dónde eres?, which means, where are you from? These phrases are essential for any conversation. You'll use them when meeting new people, traveling, or just chatting online. Let's start with soy de. Soy de means I am from. It's simple, direct, and used by native speakers everywhere. For example, I say, soy de España.
Soy de España.
Perfect. Now everyone, repeat after me. Soy de your country or city. Yes, you just said where you're from in Spanish. Say it again, louder. Soy de your country. This phrase works with any place. Soy de Madrid. Soy de New York. Soy de Tokyo. Soy de London. The structure is always the same. Soy de plus the name of the place. No changes, no complications. Just speak.
Soy de Madrid.
Exacto. Now let's combine it with day 1. Say the full introduction. Hola, me llamo, name. Soy de, place.
Hola, me llamo Diego. Soy de Madrid.
Now you say it. Hola, me llamo, name. Soy de, place. Yes, you just said where you're from in Spanish. Say it again, louder. Soy de your country. This phrase works with any place. Soy de Madrid. Soy de New York. Soy de Tokyo. Soy de London. The structure is always the same. Soy de plus the name of the place. No changes, no complications. Just speak.
Soy de Madrid.
Exacto. Now let's combine it with day 1. Say the full introduction. Hola, me llamo, name. Soy de, place.
Hola, me llamo Diego. Soy de Madrid.
Now you say it. Hola, me llamo, name. Soy de, place. Increíble! You just gave a full introduction in Spanish. 2 complete sentences, natural flow, real communication. You're not just learning words, you're building conversations. Now let's learn how to ask someone else where they're from. The question is, ¿de dónde eres? It means, where are you from? The upside-down question mark tells you it's a question. Say it slowly. ¿De dónde eres? Now repeat after me. ¿De dónde eres? Perfect! You just asked your second question in Spanish. This is how you show interest in people. You say, soy de something. They say, soy de something else. And suddenly, you're talking about cities, countries, cultures. Let's do a mini conversation. I'll start. Diego will answer. Then you take my place. Hola, me llamo Lucía. Soy de España. ¿De dónde eres?
Hola, me llamo Diego. Soy de España.
Now you be Lucía. Say, hola, me llamo, your name. Soy de your place. ¿De dónde eres? Say it now.
Hola, me llamo Diego. Soy de España.
Genial! You just had a real conversation. 4 sentences, back and forth, no script. You spoke from understanding. Let's do it again. Faster, like real life. Hola, me llamo Lucía. Soy de España. ¿De dónde eres?
Hola, me llamo Diego. Soy de España.
Now you, full speed. Say it now. Wow, you just spoke Spanish for 15 seconds straight. That's longer than most beginners do in a week. You're building real fluency, one day at a time. Quick review. Say these with me. 1. Soy de place. I am from place. 2. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? You now know 5 full phrases from 2 days. Hola, me llamo. ¿Cómo te llamas? Soy de dónde eres. You can greet, introduce, ask name, say origin, ask origin. That's a complete conversation starter. Your homework, say the full dialogue to 3 people today. Mirror, friend. Comment below. Hola, me llamo, name. Soy de, place. ¿De dónde eres? Tomorrow, day 3, we learn numbers and age. Tengo años and ¿cuántos años tienes? Action time! Subscribe now for day 3. Turn on the bell. Comment, Hola, me llamo, name. Soy de, place. Share with one friend. You spoke Spanish today, out loud in the real world. I'm proud of you. See you tomorrow. Ciao!